If your chickens are suddenly hanging out in places they shouldn't be, like your driveway, your porch, or right by the road, guys, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to tell you all about how you can completely change your chicken's daily routine and behavior without fencing, without chasing them, or stressing them out, simply by changing where and how you feed them. This is something we've been actively working on here at DiamondTrail Ranch, getting our chickens away from the driveway, back into their coop, out of the main street, back out of the easements. They kind of progress and make their way further and further away, which is fine for backyard chickens, but again, you don't want them out in the streets, right? So I have an idea to share with you to get them back into their coop area for regular feedings, and it works shockingly well. Chickens don't wander randomly. They're incredibly routine-based animals. Wherever the food shows up consistently, guys, that's where the chickens are going to spend most of their day. If your flock keeps ending up in the same problem spot, guys, we're going to connect some dots here, okay? They found food there. You fed them there once or twice. Or is it just because, it just became part of their daily path, right? From the chicken's point of view, that location is now part of their routine. So I have them over here back by their coop. This is their chicken coop over here. They're on the back of the property for now. They were going all the way up by the fence over there, past it over yonder to the front, past the vehicles, all the way out into the street on this part of the property. So I said, something's got to give. So the fastest way to change that behavior is not removing the chickens, not chasing them around like a chicken with your head cut off. Move the food. Move the food. It's what we did. We stopped feeding anywhere near the driveway. You can't get complacent. You can't get lazy. You've been doing homesteading 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 years. You're in a hurry. You grab that bucket and you toss it over the fence to feed your birds. And next thing you know, that's where they're showing up. You open that garage door and where are your birds? Right there at the garage, right? So you want to consistently feed them near the coop area or in the coop area at the same time every day, because chickens learn patterns incredibly fast. Within just a few days, they stop heading toward the driveway and they'll start waiting near the coop instead. Guys, we're human here. We make mistakes. Homesteading is a very neighborly, help each other out as much as we can, whether you're doing the prepping thing or whatever. Farm stands for your neighborhood, co-ops, those kind of things. This stuff is really cool to be able to help each other out. So if I can think of something that's going to help you out, that helped me, I'll put it out there. We're not making anything off of this. It's all free information. This doesn't involve any yelling at your birds. And like I said, no chasing, hilarious. Might make some good videos out of that. No stress. Maybe you could have your kids do it, but that's a whole nother, funny thing there. If you want to reset your flock's habit, the exact process goes: first and foremost, you want to pick your primary feeding location and stick to it. Folks, I'm right over here. Everything is a work in progress. Excuse the mess. We're constantly working on everything here. It should be somewhere you want your chickens to hang out near the coop, if they have a run or a designated feeding zone in general, okay? Second time is you also want to feed them at predictable times. Morning and evening do work the best. Chickens quickly learn food shows up here at this time. And the third one for you here, do not reward bad locations. Tossing scraps once or twice near the driveway is going to undo days and days of progress. Guys, I am guilty as charged when it comes to that. When the flock realizes food no longer appears in that old spot, they'll naturally abandon it. Like I said, look back here, man. Over here looking like the zoo, right? It's Night of the Museum with Ben Stiller. That's fine. I'm okay with having them back here and not over in the front. Plus, you don't have to worry about accidentally running over your birds if they're in your driveway. We have not done that, but it's just one less thing to worry about. Over time, that new feeding location will be their home base, even when they're free ranging. One of the biggest mistakes people make is inconsistency. If you feed in 5 different locations, your chickens are just going to go anywhere. Another mistake is also overcorrecting, chasing the chickens or stressing them out. That doesn't teach them diddly squat. It makes them nervous. It freaks them out. Routine beats force every single time. So if you're struggling with or where your chickens hang out, Seriously, just try that one simple change first. Move the food, give it a few days, but you got to keep it consistent and on schedule. All right, that's it for your. It's really that simple. They're routine animals. Where do you guys? Where do your birds hang out? That maybe you wish they did not. Let me know in the comments below. We post videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Anything I can think of that might help you out. Thanks for watching. God bless, and we'll see you in the next one.